The objective of this course is to provide you with entry-level skills in oxyacetylene welding, brazing, and cutting.
The course includes demonstrations and exercises on lap joints in the horizontal and vertical positions, on corner joints in the horizontal and vertical positions, and on square groove butt joints in the flat, vertical, horizontal, and overhead positions on 11-gauge mild steel.
There are also exercises on single V-groove butt joints in the flat, vertical, horizontal, and overhead positions on 3/16" mild steel plate, along with demonstrations on flame cutting 3/16 mild steel manually with a handheld torch and mechanized using a straight line track cutting machine.
Included are exercises on 2-inch Schedule 80 mild steel pipe in the 5G and 6G positions. And there are braze welding exercises on butt and lap joints, as well as brazing exercises on copper tubing in the vertical upflow and vertical downflow positions. You'll learn historical facts and interesting information about welding and the development of the oxyacetylene welding process.
We will discuss the equipment used with oxy-fuel cutting and welding, the differences between fusion welding, brazing, braze welding, and soldering, and we will cover the proper startup and shutdown procedures.
We will cover important safety issues that you will need to know with the oxy-fuel welding and cutting processes. Written quizzes will give you an opportunity to test your understanding of key concepts, and the quality of your welds will be evaluated through visual inspection and by destructive testing, both based on current industry standard.
If this is your first experience with oxyacetylene welding and cutting, you'll find it fascinating and challenging. The course materials, along with the help of your instructor, will point you in the right direction, but that won't make you an expert welder. Practice as much as possible to develop your skills, and you can succeed in the field of welding.